Alright, here we are. Glacier Blue Metallic LTZ. A friend of mine just bought this truck, so he's letting me do a little walk around with it. So you can see the amount of chrome that comes on the LTZ. I've got some other videos that show the LT and the custom. Now in the back, current trucks are not getting the fender wells, so he sprayed his with undercoating temporarily until they become available. LTZ tailgate. Let's go inside. First thing we notice, pops up Z71 on the dash. I think that's a super nice touch. Let's step out and take a look at the door panel here. Nice wood grain. It's a darker color than the other ones that I've seen, and this is real nice. Here's the gloss black, which I definitely like. The dark wood grain is a nice touch in these. Got the leather. Now, I don't know the specifics on what this truck came with and what it did not as far as extras, but I know there were some credits. I want to say it was the rear seat had the seat heaters not included, but will be later on. There's nothing on the window sticker. And I want to say the heated steering wheel, but those will be fitted later on when modules become available. This one has the 6.2, very peppy engine. I really like the 6.2, the torque that it gives off. Shifts are nice and smooth on this truck. Here's a little rundown on the dash. Trying to get this set back where he had it. I want to say it was on the progressive. Left side info options we can have here. Here's the right side. Quite a few options. This does have the heads-up display. Let's see if we can catch it. There it is right there. Alright, so here's the radio. The screen is super nice, but let's go ahead and hit the trailer. We're on accessory mode. There's the phone, here's the map. Audio source. I like that you can have both open at once. It's pretty nice. Here's the home, and then here's also the home button right there. And here's a little close-up of AC. Like I said, the gloss black, I know you're probably like, wow, this guy really likes the gloss black, but I do. I think it's a very nice addition to this interior because it goes with this darker wood grain on it. It's got some nice leather. So the bows, we're not going to test out the bows, but standard trailer brake, just like in the previous models, just moved over. So Here's the shifter. The shifter takes some getting used to because you have to hold the button down and put it in whatever gear you want. So here's the key. In case you haven't seen the new style key. There's cup holders, nice little slot right there. There's a little space for your phone. This is an iPhone 13 Pro Max, and that fits right there, super nice. And that one's a wireless charge. Center console is well done, nice improvement. Super nice truck. Let's get another walk around on the outside. Grab the key. C71 as you depart. LTZ is a very, very well equipped truck. I think the High Country is a little overdone on the amount of chrome and extras it's got on it. So the LTZ, I think, is where it's at. I ordered an RST for myself, but after seeing this one, I wonder if the LTZ was the way to go. Guess we'll find out when mine shows up. Let's take a closer look at the wheels and tires. Bridgestones are nice. They're all-terrain tires. They're not loud, and they can handle the dirt. Check out these other videos above for more of the refresh Silverado 2022s.